Right, got a couple of things to unbox today, so I thought I'd turn on the camera and let you enjoy the unboxing with me, because I know you love a good unboxing, don't you? So I've got one from Canada, one from France. I know what's in the one from Canada, but I've never smelt it. Not sure what's in the one from France. I may have smelled it, but what I do know is we are in for some tasty bottles. So if you want to see what they are, stay tuned. There's something about a good bottle, isn't there? I know not everyone is bothered about having the original and having an actual bottle, but I know a lot of people just love having those bottles on the shelves. They're as much of an ornament in the collection as they are a fragrance to wear. So these two bottles, if I think I know what this one might be, I'll get to that in a second. They're both exquisite. This package from Vancouver, Canada is from Matthew Meleg from Meleg Perfumes. I've smelt his fragrances. They're wild and wonderful and strong. Matthew doesn't play by the rules. He's a self-taught perfumer. He makes up his own rules, and his fragrances, because of that, are statement making and different. And I think he's inspired by old school, strong, big, bold French perfumery. So I've been very impressed with his fragrances. He has sent, I do know what he sent me. I've never smelled this one. So I'm really looking forward to smelling it, and I haven't yet had one of these bottles in my hand. I've seen pictures of them online. They're so unique. So I'm really looking forward to getting into this and having a look at the bottle and smelling the fragrance. Let's get into the package. Oh, we got two here. I thought he was only sending me one. A little note from Matthew. Nicely done on tracing paper. My dearest customer, I promise to you, your perfume is handcrafted with love, patience and passion, and I have used only the finest materials in this formula. Smell the thick, rich, enveloping effect achieved. An effect that can only be achieved with large amounts of the highest quality natural oils and, in some cases, animal musks. So he's quite upfront about that he uses real animal musks. So let's see what he sent me. Wow, these boxes are nice, and it's a wooden box and it's sealed here, so I've somehow got to try and unseal it. Okay, you just peel the seal. That's all we need to do. Okay, let's see. So it slides up like this. Really lovely boxes. This one is called Temple of Horus. Let's see what's in this one. This one should be the Chocolate Patchouli one. This is Very Cherry Rose Chocolate Patchouli. Okay, so I think I've got a good idea what this might smell like. Maybe a bit of cherry, bit of rose, chocolate, patchouli, just a guess. Let's start with this one, shall we? I'm gonna spray these on skin, so I don't know how many are in this package, but hopefully I've got enough skin. Let's go on the hand for this one. While I'm just letting that settle, I'll just show you the bottle there. These bottles are beautiful. Got a nice red wax seal on there. Ooh, wow. Oh my word. Dang. Oh, this is great. Wow. I mean, this is uncompromising perfumery. This is no corners cut, high quality. Loads of chocolate in this, but it's not too chocolatey. It's not too rich. It's got lift as well. It's got some brightness. Maybe that's coming from the cherry. A little bit of cherry, but not overbearing at all. Cherry can be a strong note, but it's definitely not complementing the chocolate really nicely. And it doesn't give me that amaretto sours cherry almond vibe at all. Yeah, nicely done chocolate cherry. And what I get in this is a definite animalic punch in the base of this. There is something pretty potent that is being tamed by the sweeter notes of the chocolate and the cherry and the patchouli. But it's got some kick, definitely. Not in a bad way, not in an unwearable way, in a way that says, I'm here, smell me, and I smell great. Wow, I've never smelled I've never smelled anything like this. That is a stunner. I can't wait to give this one a full wearing. It's rich, but it's not too rich. It's not too strong. I don't think it's the strength of fragrance that is just going to fill a room and just become too obnoxious at all. There's a lightness to it. There's an elegance to it. So that is good. Now, Temple of Horus. I'm not really sure what we've got in this one. Let's just smell it and just see how it smells, shall we? Let's go on this part of my arm. Again, very nice handcrafted bottle. Got the material around here and the wax seal on there. What is going on here? This is sort of like a very smoky, burning type of smell. Makes me think of animal hay. Not necessarily in a bad, you know that sweet, pungent smell that you get from hay that animals have been in. This is definitely a little more creative and daring, I would say. It's going to take me a little while to process that. I'm not saying I don't like it at all. I'm just saying it's pretty wild. And sometimes those wilder ones can take a little bit of time. Yeah, I'd have to decide whether this is something I would be comfortable wearing, but this is bold. If you like them bold, Temple of Horus. What else am I getting in here? So hay, yeah, hay, smoke, maybe a bit of incense, something floral. I mean, even after a couple of minutes, it is settling down. It's not as potent. So I think that's going to smooth out. So I'll have to just give that a bit of long-term wearing and just decide. It's one of those fragrances, you know, when you smell something that is just really sort of unexpected and you're not sure how you feel about it, but you just keep coming back to it. There's something that keeps drawing you back to it. Yeah, because I've never smelled anything like it. Initially, very cherry rose chocolate patchouli. Definitely my favourite so far of these two. It's the most wearable. Really beautiful creation. Nice one, Matthew. Thank you for sending me these. Right, let's move on to the next parcel. I think this is maybe from Byron Parfums. I'm not too sure, but I think I recognise the address. So let's just get into this and find out. What have we got here? Haha, I have smelt this fragrance. Sounded a bit like Alan Partridge then, didn't I? Ha-ha, aha. Right, anyway, enough of that. It's the Chronic. It's my favourite from Byron Parfums, and I had no idea that they were sending this to me. I have noticed they've rebranded, they've repackaged, they've improved their presentation. I mean, originally the presentation was great, but the bottles now look, they're another level, basically. I'll show you this, I'll unbox this and show you. They're a little more in line with something like maybe, you know, MFK bottles. They look as bling as that. Oh, look at the outer packaging. You've got this lovely red, like ruby red matte finish on there. Even before you've got into the box, that's lovely. And looks like that slides off. Eventually. I mean, this is great. Nice one, guys. And this opens up from the front. Just open that up. Wow, look at that. Love it. I mean, that's presentation, right? That is beautiful. Let's get the bottle out of here. It doesn't really get any better than that in terms of presentation. I think that's stunning. We have the red glass and the name of the fragrance is printed on the front. We have actually embossed into the glass itself a bee, which is the logo for Byron. Also, we have engraved into the neck of the cap here, Byron Parfums, and then also again the logo of Byron is there on the top of the cap. So well and good having a nice pretty bottle, having a tasty bottle, but if you're going to invest in that, you also need to invest in a good sprayer. So let's see if the sprayer is up to the same standard as the rest of it. Yes, that is a good sprayer. All right. This is interesting. This is different. This does not smell like the Chronic that I have. This is amazing. I don't know if they've put the wrong fragrance in the bottle. I don't know what's going on with that. I'll have to speak to them, but this is different. This is fruitier. So it's like a caramel fruity thing, not like Rouge Extreme, not as floral as that. I'm going to get my bottle of the Chronic to compare this, and then I can compare the two bottles for you as well. Bear with me. Right, my little brain got all confused, so I had to do a little bit of research. I did not know that Byron Parfums were releasing Chronic flankers. I didn't know. They didn't let me know. I hadn't seen it anywhere, but they are. So this is not the Chronic. This is a flanker, the Chronic Rouge Extreme. So they did Muller Rouge Extreme, so I didn't know that they were having this Rouge Extreme line, so that's why it smells different. Let me just show you the bottle of the original Chronic. So there we go, compare those two like that. And I like them both. Now, I don't know if they've just changed the bottle for the Rouge Extreme line. I'm not certain about that. What I can tell you is though, this is amazing. Wow, this has undertones of the creamy, addictive woodiness and the sweetness that the Chronic has, but it has a bit of fruitiness in there as well. It's got this sort of fruit salad, this fruity melange accord thrown into the mix, and it's probably not as sweet either as the original Chronic. So the original Chronic I love. It's one of my favorite fragrances. It's super addictive, very mass appealing, very strong. This has all those things, but with that fruity edge to it. Wow. So yeah, caramel, sugar, cream, and the fruit. I mean, this is good stuff. I didn't know before I unboxed these boxes today that my mind would be blown quite as much as it has been. But wow, I mean, this has been an experience for me, and I'm glad I managed to share it all on camera. The confusion, the mind-blowing fragrances, the delight in smelling something new and unexpected. It's all here, it's all captured for you on camera and to go on YouTube forever. Well, okay, there we go. I have smelt some superb fragrances from Meleg Perfumes and from Byron. This was just supposed to be a quick unboxing video, but it's just turned into a journey of discovery, shall we say, which I'm very pleased to have started on, and I'm looking forward to continuing on that journey and really trying out these fragrances. So there we go. I guess if you didn't already know that there is a flanker to the Chronic, called the Chronic Rouge Extreme, you know now. There's also another flanker I found out when I was doing my little bit of research off camera, the Chronic Narcotic. So I guess that's gonna be very floral. It's gonna have these narcotic florals. That comes in a blue bottle, so exciting stuff. All right, there we go. I will investigate these fragrances further, and if you want to know any more information about them, please just drop them in the comments. Let me know, have you tried any of these? There's some serious fragrance firepower on this table in front of me right now, and yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. So let me know, have you had experiences with these? I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video that didn't quite go the way I thought it might go, but hey, that's the fun, isn't it? That's the spontaneity, just captured for you. Right, I need a cup of coffee, maybe something stronger. That's it from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful. Thank you very much for watching. Remember, keep tuning into FM, keep smelling good, and I'll see you in the next one.